Derived by its penchant for research development, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, on Thursday, the 4th of April 2024, conducted a one-day online international workshop on article publications in reputable journals. The workshop was attended by over 6,000 participants from 42 countries across the globe, including the United States, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Canada, Russia, France, China, Saudi Arabia, Uzbekistan, United Nations, Afghanistan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Czech Republic and Egypt. Other participants were from Hungary, India, Indonesia, Iraq, Kenya, Kuwait, Malaysia, Maldives, Pakistan, Philippines, Turkey, Oman, Morocco, Nepal, Ethiopia, Ghana, Benin, Cameroon, Nigeria, Benin, Rwanda, South Africa, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, and Zambia. The grand event was designed to acquaint participants with the practical knowledge and skills needed to publish their research in high-impact academic journals. During the seminar, 2 papers were presented by renowned international scholars on contemporary topics related to writing and publishing academic articles and insights into predatory journals. The event also served as an avenue for cross-fertilization of ideas, where participants engaged in discussions, asked questions, raised concerns, and co-created new solutions to problems surrounding research publications. In her presentation, a lecturer in the Department of English, Al-Asyariya, Mandiyar University, Indonesia, who doubles as the Deputy Director of Language and Character, Dr. Mutmaina S., discussed extensively on the procedures of writing outstanding papers. She described the process of writing outstanding research as a rigorous one, which involves a careful selection of research questions, adopting a robust methodology, and crafting and compelling manuscripts. Dr. Mutmaina, who took time to explain the requisite process to planning research, navigating the submission process, choosing the right journal, dealing with rejection and research papers in trying to get them published in reputable journals, cautioned against issues of plagiarism. While discussing the ethical consideration in publishing research, such as plagiarism, conflicts of interest, and authorship, Dr. Mutmaina pointed out some tools that can be used to prevent plagiarism, which include paraphrasing, plagiarism checkers, and referencing. Also in his paper, a faculty of the Department of Computer Science, University of Kufa, Iraq, Dr. Ahmed J. Ubaid, acquainted the participants on how to promote publishing research articles and increase their visibility within the online space. Dr. Ubaid explained that publishing a research journal is key to advancing a researcher's discipline and career by selecting a reputable and trustworthy journal has over the years remained a thing of concern, and there are predatory journals in play. According to him, predatory journals are fake publishers that do not follow proper academic standards for publishing and who never provide the publication services an author would expect, such as peer review and editing. Dr. Ubaid, who is a web and data mining expert, spoke at length on the features and dangers of predatory journals, where he shared tips on how to identify the fake journals from the reputed ones. Earlier in his remarks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, stressed the importance of research publication, which he said goes beyond providing a means of communication and a permanent record, but increases researchers' performance and productivity within the academia. In his closing remarks, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, who reiterated the need for institutions to embrace digitization of research, commended the 2 presenters for their extensive and thorough exploration of the topics presented. He thanked the management, particularly the founder of the university, Professor Gorzo, for providing the avenue to host the international workshop, while at the same time lauding the participants for their time and contributions during the session.